Hey guys, you see these two top high-ranking cops that were arrested, Uferoza Khan, Beno Kadu. It was high time. It's actually overdue. It took long. Uferoza is like so rogue in another level you've never seen. But I'm just like, when is Shetok Sibia going to be arrested? But I guess, guys, he's still being investigated. We need more solid things to arrest people. I'm going to say yes, it's coming for a lot of people. For example, in this other case that we do here, in the other case that I do, Usenzo Meiwa, on my other channel, what's the T? Siyahlazi. Ubrigadier Kinend, the investigative officer there. Yes, yes, you've never seen anything like that. And he's a brigadier for that matter. Just as much as Uferoza guys apparently never even became a brigadier. Lamuntu white jump, I think, from warrant officer to general, because he was actually, that position was not even advertised, it was given to him overnight. This is why he became like this. He became like a criminal, just the subs. It's so bad, the subs, guys. It's in another level. My advice will be, just do what's right every day. Because you're going to be in trouble. They will investigate you and you're going to be fired and you're going to be arrested in one. It's just so crazy, guys, what's going on in our subs. Things are just taking other directions to feel how. What's going on with these people for such a long time? Busy messing up with our country. You know, we have no control. But someone PKTT, is on them. It has been on them though. It's not just now. Where has been explaining. Man, who they are. Just as much as from where we're sitting, we're thinking, oh my gosh, we are about judge without their consent. No. Guys. Sina nje sesilinde noma yinini manje ukuthi Brigadier Kininda uRatha Mokgatleng uzoba uBaloyi, u-Advocate Baloyi, the prosecutor that's rogue there at High Court in Pretoria. Babosh. That's not straight. They're like, we're not even trying to sugarcoat it. The mayors are going to march on the 19th. They don't even have a problem. They just like we are. So this message I was even saying, why nje umaga senzo beyiwa ngavela njengene kule court and be like, what if kwakumntanakho lo obamenza kanje? Actually, people that came into the house and shot my child when they were not any intruders at the house. Ungathanda wena, ibuzurat. People will stop to do the stuff that they do. Sekuzoba indlu kaNgizwe. UNgizwe indlu yakhe ishisiwe, and I just feel ukuthi this is just gonna cause a lot of anger. Uyabona ukuthi it's not a nice thing. Because manje uba nishisa indlu, uyabona ukuthi kanjani manje. But ishisiwe ke indlu kapapa. I'm just like, abantu when are they gonna stop, guys? Abantu they don't want to be reprimanded and be like, oh wrong, why did you do this? And then manje ushisa indlu just because bayakutshela ukuthi stop. You do what you're doing. You know, guys, in South Africa, we're looking forward to this week. Other stories are going to come out. Now about two, they actually going to appear in court today. Feroza Khan, they're going to appear in court. My grandfather.